this phone would support or not support in this phone. That you can see a phone in my hand. This phone is Redmi Note 8. Now let's show how to use OTG on the phone, can use pen drive and mouse in this phone. And I'll also show today if your phone OTG not working, how to solve this problem in this phone. If you want to connect OTG to the phone, first I need to find the option called settings. When find settings, then go to settings and go to search settings, and you need to write the search box OTG, and you can see could not find result anything, because this phone basically have not to turn on OTG connection option in Redmi Note 8 phone. And if you want to use pen drive in this phone, you need to OTG and pen drive the connection the 12, and you put this OTG on your phone and wait few seconds after installing it. But here I can see my phone OTG is working properly. Scroll down, you can see an option called explore. Then you have to click on it, explore, and show your phone pen drive files. And if you want to use mouse now, you just put the mouse here, and if your phone mouse is working. And if your phone OTG is not working, you just replace your phone OTG and solve your phone OTG not working problem. So if